everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be doing a Louis Vuitton unboxing. As you guys can see, I have two packages here. So I purchased this at the Louis Vuitton website. So when you purchase something on the website, your item actually arrives on this brown packaging, and this was shipped, I guess, with UPS, if I am not mistaken. Yeah, UPS. So usually it takes at least 4 to 5 days with the regular shipping, not with an expedited one. So most of the time, usually if you purchase something, if you did not expedite, it will take at least 3 to 5 days though. But now it is holiday, so it may take longer than that, because I remember I ordered something online and it took at least almost 2 weeks to arrive. And I know it was just like local. For some reason, the courier is actually busy. It's got nothing to do with the store, but it's got something to do with the courier. There is a lot of packages that were shipped out. So yeah, so if I don't think it's too late. Yeah, it's not too late to get your Christmas shopping. So anyway, I have two packages here. So this is how it looks. So I also, yeah, this one actually arrives beat up. I don't know, for some reason. I don't know why there is why this part right here got ripped. And this one is so filthy. When I receive it, it was so filthy that of course, before I take the package inside the house, I have to sanitize it, and it was so filthy, and it's deformed, it's beat up, and yeah, that's the only disadvantage. But these items that I purchased, they are not that expensive, so I'm not really, as long as the items inside are intact and it's not damaged, I'm fine with it. So I'm just letting everybody know that sometimes you receive an items that were shipped out beat up, or it was like filthy, but this one looks fine. This one looks fine. So one of the packages here, I used their new feature. I think a few weeks ago, Louis Vuitton added a new feature which allows you to add a shopping bag. So all you have to do is add the item on your cart, and then scroll down. If you have a message, if you have a personal message, you could actually add that right there. And then don't forget to tick the box right there. So anyway, let me show you what I got. This is the first item. Okay. So let's see. So this is how it looks. And then, okay, so this is the box, and also this is actually the receipt. So in this package, when I placed an order, I included a personal message. So this is the receipt holder right here. And then you will get, yeah, this like information and stuff. You will get a return label. You would get the receipt, as well as the message, the personal message that you wrote. So this one, okay, so this is the receipt right here, receipt of an item. And then I just wrote Merry Christmas right there. So yeah, it has a Louis Vuitton right there, the logo. It actually, this one is debossed, as you guys can see. And also, it came in with another paper, maybe because just in case if you write more, you could do that as well. So I just put Merry Christmas, and I will write my personal message here, and then I'll sign it. So this is placing an order using the personal message feature. So in this order, as you guys can see, when I open the box, there is no shopping bag. That's because I did not include it. I did not actually tick the shopping bag. For some reason, maybe I forgot. So yeah, just pretty much there is actually nothing on the inside. So it came in with this tag right here. And the ribbon, this is for their holiday packaging though. So this is the holiday packaging for 2021. I love the ribbon. And yeah, it's so easy to open this. And let me show you the item that I got. So I'm just letting you know that this is actually a gift. And okay, there's a tag right here. And okay, so this is the item. It is a Louis Vuitton Bando. And I already purchased a couple of these last time when I was at the store. Since I will be gifting this, I went on the website and I saw it is available. And I think Bandos, I believe that Bando is actually one of the perfect gift. You could actually what a perfect gift, and it is highly affordable. So this is a flight mode Bando. As you guys can see, this one is made up of this beautiful monogram pattern in Mahina style. So those dotted right there, it reminds me of Mahina. And this one is made up of pure silk, really, really soft. Very nice. I love the feeling of this one. And then, yeah, this one is pretty long. I think the measurements for this is, the length is 47.2 inches. So it's pretty long, and it is reversible as well. I love this print. I do love this print. It is also one of my most favorite print that Louis Vuitton came out this year. It looks like it actually glows in the dark. That's because of the pattern. This one is lighter, and then this one is like dull. It's almost like it's invisible, and it started to you'll be able to see, yeah. So it's fading right there, and you'll see the entire print of it. So this purchase that I have, the first box, I place an order, I put it in a cart, and add a personal message. But for some reason, I forgot to take the the shopping bag. So therefore, this item was shipped out without the shopping bag. So moving on to the next item. So the next one, I have here the beta package. So let me show you. Okay. So this is the second item. As you guys can see, there is a shopping bag right here included on my purchase. Because as far as I remember, when I placed an order for this, I tried to make it sure that I tick the box right there where you could actually add the shopping bag. And also, I did not include a personal message on this purchase. But with the other one, I've included the personal message, but I forgot to put to tick the box for a shopping bag. So this is how it looks when you purchase using their new feature right here. So this is the shopping bag. It's a small bag because it's a small item, but if you purchase a larger item, definitely they'll give you the larger box. So this is how it looks. Look at that. It is actually a new setting for their box, and I kind of like it. It does seem to look like your item were in place right here, and it feels and it looks like your item will be secure. So it wouldn't be like moving upside down or whatever while in transit, because they put it right here. They put some protective stuff on the corner. This is the receipt. So this one didn't came in with the personal message. Okay, so this is the item. I don't know, for some reason this one didn't came in with the holiday packaging. The previous box that I've got, this was placed on the same day, and so all you see, I love the new setup for their packaging. I think from some parts in Europe, they have this, and also you could actually include a shopping bag. If I am not mistaken, they already have this in Europe long time ago. But with here in the US, they just started with this. But I'm kind of happy. I'm happy that they included that. It allows you to add a shopping bag. So this is the package. So yeah, it is entirely a different packaging. And okay, so the item is, it is another bundle. It's a gift. So it is another bundle. So pretty much like it's the same. It's the same as what I've shown earlier. Right here. This is so beautiful. I already have two, so I will be using that in my purses, both handles, and these are gifts. So yeah, this is actually, Bando is perfect for gifting. They are like around $200, and if you get the one that is the BB, the thinner size, the thinner version of this, those are around less than $200, and it's perfect for gifting. It is highly affordable. It came with Louis Vuitton packaging, and yeah, it makes it even more special with that features. So if you want to use the new feature from Louis Vuitton, which allows you to add this shopping bag right here, as well as the personal message, all you have to do is add the item on your cart, then click the gift message. If you have a message, you could you could skip that if you don't want to add a personal message, and then click the box to receive a shopping bag with your order. And yeah, that's it. Then you can go check out and pay, and then eventually they ship it out for you in the next few days. Usually with Louis Vuitton, they ship pretty fast. If you order an item early in the morning, I think before noon, as far as with my experience, before noon Pacific time, they'll ship it out the same day. So yeah, they are actually really good on shipping. I'm totally impressed with their shipping. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.